yma Ail Ddiwrnod, y criw byw o Bod Digidol heddiw. Da ni'n cael taith amgylch busnesau yn Gwynedd ac yn Ynys Môn. Bore yma fuon ni i weld Futurium, wedyn fuon ni weld Mona Lifting yn Llangefni, a wedyn da ni wedi bod yn clywed gan Rhys o Locli, a wedyn da ni'n mynd i biogyfansoddion yn Bangor. A wedyn mae'r criw wedi bod yn clywed am sut mae'r busnesau yma'n recriwtio, be maen nhw'n chwilio amdanyn nhw, ac hefyd maen nhw wedi cael blas o be mae'r cwmnïau yma'n neud o ddydd i ddydd.
Heddiw da ni wedi bod rhwng cwmnïau gwahanol yn gofyn cwestiynau a dysgu am cwmnïau. Fel peiriannwr, nes i enjoyo Mona Lifting yn dysgu ac yn gofyn cwestiynau am nhw a sut o'n nhw'n fel employo pobl yna. So oedd o'n brofiad gwerthfawr a dwi wedi mwynhau heddiw.
So two of the companies that we went to see today were Futurium and Lockley, and they essentially specialise in technology and some really futuristic stuff such as virtual reality, augmented reality. I'm coming from an environmental science background, so I've just finished my third year now, and I can't say I have much experience in that technology aspect of it. I'm more studying renewable energy, but from a innovation and looking to the future side of it, I found it extremely exciting and a great opportunity for young people around Gwynedd and Anglesey. And it's the reason why we're doing this project essentially is to really connect both the companies and the young people that want to get involved together. And being one of those young people, I find it extremely exciting that the future is here in Gwynedd and Anglesey, although some people might not see it that way because it's such a rural place. But I think if we find and bridge that gap, I think it'll be very exciting, and I've had a great day learning about them, and hopefully others will too.